Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best sleeping bags. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best sleeping bags for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Selecting the ideal sleeping bag can make a big difference in your outdoor adventures. To ensure a comfortable and enjoyable experience, consider these key factors when making your choice. Sleeping bags are rated for different temperatures, typically ranging from summer, above 35 degrees Fahrenheit, to winter, below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose a bag that matches the climate of your camping destination. For versatile use, look for a 3-season bag that covers temperatures from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Sleeping bags generally use either down or synthetic insulation. Down provides excellent warmth to weight ratio and compressibility but is less effective when wet. Synthetic insulation, while bulkier, retains heat even when damp and tends to be more affordable. The three main shapes are rectangular, semi-rectangular, and mummy. Rectangular bags offer more space but less thermal efficiency, while mummy bags provide a snug fit and better heat retention. Ensure the bag fits your body comfortably and provides enough room for movement. If you're backpacking, choose a lightweight and compressible bag that can easily fit into your pack. For car camping, weight is less of a concern, and you might prioritize comfort over packability. Look for additional features such as draft collars, hoods, and zippered vents for added comfort. Some bags also come with built-in liners or pockets for convenience. By considering these factors, you can select a sleeping bag that ensures a restful night in the great outdoors, tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching the video.